Here we are, not February, not March, but April the 14th in Selkirk, Manitoba. We've had a snowstorm for the last 2 days, and it's supposed to snow 2 more days. And I hired someone to clean out the car, do all the shoveling, and I think their name is Marlene. I'm not paying her overtime, I don't care what she says. This is our building that we're living in, on the top floor in the far end, facing the main road, right up over there on the other side. And even shoveling out the car, it's this little back road here gets us out if we can get to it, but a lot of people just stayed home today. Tomorrow's Friday, and it's supposed to snow again tonight, so we'll see. That's just an update for everybody, all the thousands of people that's watching my videos. Not maybe 2 people. All right, bye.